Recording again.
So the maximum now is
2,000.
Okay, take it back down for me. Okay, ramp it back up, please.
Okay, thank you. And let me see the control over here. So yes, the speed 2,000.
Yep.
And you had to set that in there?
Yeah, for this. You just put it in your program and it immediately goes to whatever you put in.
Okay.
Since we're not running the program, you have to tell the machine what to do.
Okay. And you already moved it in X and Z and
So we can move it X and Z now. We have to go back to the function for moving the slide.
okay, well.
I can go to 3 if you want.
Okay, sure, if you want.
Okay. Escape out of here. Back up here. Escape.
Sounds pretty smooth.
Yeah, it's a good trail lamp.
Okay.